Everyone, this is HunyahTravels unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing Bleed, which is a period anthology based on breaking the stigma around menstruational cycle. I'm just going to open this. And it looks something like this. Going to open this, it looks something like this. Now, here it is. So this is Bleed. So I'd like to thank GetJoni, which is Linda Biggs, I think the CEO, for giving me this opportunity. So here's the book. Just getting onto my page, because there's tons of stories in here. So I believe mine was where was it? I'm just looking it through. Mine is on page 158, and this is that body language when it comes to menstruational cycle, because I've experienced this myself and I like to share this with others, that how to deal with it. So anyways, this is the anthology, so be sure to check it out. Be sure to like and subscribe to HunyahTravels. Thank you.